Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today I'll show you how to add column to a table using migrations in Laravel. So let's get started with today's video. So in my previous video I've shown you basics of migration. So if you want to see how to create a migration and how to do it, so you can watch that video as well and you can continue with this video as well. So here contact and inventory I have created using migration. Full table will be there. These are field, jobs, migrations, password reset, personal access token. So these are some defaults table that will come if you are creating your tables using migrations. So let me show you contact table which I have created in my previous video. So here you can see I'm having name, email, phone number, and created at, updated at, and auto increment ID, all these fields. So let's add one more field to this table. So you can see the contract migrations. You can find migration in database folder. So here you can see I have given string name, email, phone number, message, and timestamps for created at, updated at. So here you can see two functions. In a function you will be writing for adding or creating your table, and in down it will be like dropping your column or dropping the table. Now let's start adding the column to contact table. So for that let's write command. So go to terminal and write php artisan and make migrations, and after that write, let's say I'm writing add column and write column name, let's say file name, to contact table, and last you can pass in which table you want to alter. So I'm passing table, that is contact one. Hit enter and now you can see new file is created. So let me open it. You can see the file name, first date, and after that what I have given, that is appended. And in file you can see we are having two up and down function. So inside a function we will be writing what column we are going to add, and in down we will be writing for drop column. So now let's write in a function. So you can see here already table name is contact. So inside this function we will be writing, so here write table and write string, and I'm going to pass, let's say, one file name. Let's say in contact form you have to add one image field, so you are adding a column in backend also for that. So let's say file name, and in down function write table, drop column function will be called, and inside that pass same file name. So now let's run the migration. So press Ctrl J, terminal will open, and inside that write php artisan migrate. Run the command, and here you can see only that file is executed. So now let's check in database. Go to table contact and refreshed. Here you can see file name is added. So now let's check in migration table. So here you can see that file name migration is added here with batch number 3. So batch number here is to specify like that if I'll run one time, so let's say one I'm having, so all these 5 migrations are created at a time. If I'll run, if I'm running php artisan migrate second time, then only one migration is added. So it's like a kind of batch where multiple migration is created. So in this video I have shown you how you can alter your table using migration, how you can add columns to your table. You can add multiple columns as well in a migration. So in my next video I'll show you how to refresh your migration, how to again create your migrations. So that's all in this video. If you have any doubt related to this topic, then you can comment down in the comment section. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.